thinks that this month was worth at least $1,000, it would just be ones in the chat all day long. Just member feedback would say, this is gold. We could sell it for $1,000 a month. $100 a month is to give you a fair shot, because we understand you may not be that great at sales. We understand you might be new. Maybe you've not sold something before. Maybe you've not promoted your own club before. So we can't start out the gate too expensive. We give you a very simple role. You're marketing your own club. We'll take care of everything for you. You keep all the money. It gets even better, because once you get somebody into that club, not only are we providing all the fulfillment for you, but we will take care of the entire customer experience for every customer of your club. We will handle all the customer support. We'll make sure they have a nice table. We'll make sure that they're satisfied with their drinks and their meal. We'll make sure that the entertainment is on time, that the entertainment always delivers value. We'll always ask them, was it worth at least today's amount of value? Was that at least worth the price of admission, right? We will constantly make sure we're doing a good job. We'll constantly improve that value for your people. What about this? We have other products that we are going to introduce to those club members. And when we introduce those products to those club members, we make sure to always use your affiliate link. Who's doing this? Let's say that in your club, let's say next week, I decide to teach your club members how to build a Shopify store and build their own e-commerce business. We do some research. We realize this is very much in demand. Everybody wants to learn this in your club. So we decide, hey, we're going to teach your club members e-commerce. We do a bang out job. We teach it for an entire week.